Right guys, this is an easy and quick way of unblocking your sink. Save pounds on plumbers. Straightforward. Get some curtain wire and run it down. Keep on going with your curtain wire. Get it down as far as you can. And eventually you're going to loosen all the material that's blocked in your pipework. Try it again. There it goes. It's going down a lot quicker than it was before, but we're going to give it a couple more shots of the same thing. Try that again. Try and get this going as deep as you can into your pipe. Try that again. It's going really deep down into the pipework. I'm loosening any material. As you can see, the more that I do it, the quicker the water's going through the system. That's it really.